Cadello is a professional manufacturer of inorganic pigments and a recognized national high-tech enterprise. With a strong foundation in R&D, intelligent manufacturing, global marketing, and technical expertise, we deliver high-performance and eco-friendly pigment solutions to industries worldwide. Our 30,000 square meters production base is equipped with state-of-the-art high-temperature pigment lines, advanced international facilities, and photovoltaic energy systems, ensuring an annual capacity of 5,000 tons. Our portfolio covers a wide spectrum of premium pigments, including cobalt blue, cobalt green, chrome copper black, chrome iron black, manganese iron black, bismuth yellow, titanium chrome brown, and zinc iron yellow. Cadello pigments stand out for their brilliant color strength, easy dispersibility, outstanding heat and light resistance, and exceptional durability. All products meet stringent international safety and environmental standards, fully compliant with RoHS, FDA, and LFGB certifications. Widely trusted in functional coatings, modified plastics, enamel coatings, and high-temperature inks, Cadello pigments are the ideal choice for industries seeking sustainable and innovative materials. Backed by a dedicated R&D team, we also offer tailored technical support, ensuring solutions for diverse applications. Driven by innovation and guided by market demand, Cadello is committed to setting new industry benchmarks and building a century-long brand legacy in inorganic pigments.